Combining two lists and removing duplicates, without removing duplicates in original list. I have two lists that I need to combine where the second list has any duplicates of the first list ignored. A bit hard to explain, so let me show an example of what the code looks like and what I want as a result. You notice that the result has the first list, including its two values, but the fact that second underscore list also has an additional 2 and 5 value is not added to the first list. Normally for something like this I would use sets, but a set on first underscore list would purge the duplicate values it already has. So I'm simply wondering what the best/fastest way to achieve this desired combination. Thanks.
You need to append to the first list those elements of the second list that aren't in the first. Sets are the easiest way of determining which elements they are, like this. Or if you prefer one-liners, smiley with sunglasses.
You can use sets,